Hello, welcome in a new video. In this video I'm going to show you what's inside the gearbox from a Suzuki Swift with a 1.3 liter engine. And as you might know, these type of cars have weak gearboxes, so that's also the reason why this gearbox is on a table right here. What is the problem of this gearbox? The problem is that it won't shift. It's stuck in reverse gear, so I can't move it. It's not working. When I try to move it, then the shaft inside the gearbox is going up and down. So that's bad, that's not good. Also, when I want to turn a shaft, it's making a noise. When I was taking the gearbox out of the car, I took out the oil drain plug. There's here. Inside the oil drain plug there is a magnet, and there were a lot of metal pieces on the magnet, so that's not good. So it does not want to shift, it's stuck in reverse. The shaft inside the gearbox is making weird noises, and there are metal pieces inside the gearbox. I'm going to take it apart and then we will see how big the damage is. I was doing some things, I was looking, and it suddenly worked again. It's shifting gears, but it's not going very well. So I think the cause of this problem is the bearings and not gears or synchronizers. Maybe the job is a little more easy than I thought it was. A little education. This is first gear. So now the differential rotates slowly. This is second, if it wants to move. Yes, now it moves faster. Now back in reverse, or back in neutral, I mean. Then third, fourth, and the fifth gear was right here, so we cannot test that right now. It was on the top of the gearbox, it's right here. This is reverse gear. The axle is here in the housing. Sometimes it's difficult to shift in reverse gear, and that's because you have to move the whole gear instead of only a shift ring, dog ring, whatever. So the gears are fine, the synchronizers are fine, everything is fine, but the bearings, they're not fine. Bearings are totally worn out, and that was the reason why the shift fork was stuck on the shaft. It wouldn't move. So I'm going to order some new gearings and seals, and then I'm going to put everything back together and then we're going to test it. I said gearings, but it's bearings. And here they are. Next challenge, get everything back together as it's supposed to be. There's also this little guy. It needs to be in the flywheel. It's to support the shaft that's coming out of the gearbox. There. So, let's go. I had to tighten the bolts from the flywheel on 70 to 75 Newton. The bearing and the flywheel is changed. Now I can put the clutch back. And after that it's time to put the gearbox back in its place. I think I have accomplished this mission with success. It's shifting very well. I'm very happy with this. Everything is working nice. I don't hear sounds. Only the sound of the engine. But no gearbox sounds. Only in the first gear. In first gear I hear some noises, but it's not bad or something. I think it's normal. Because in second, third, fourth and fifth there is no sound. And in reverse, of course, because you have straight teeth. It was not the most easy job that I did, but it was nice to do. But this is the end of the video. I hope I showed you some interesting things. And see you in next video.